So today I'm doing a little home sprinkler repair. As you saw from the video before, the sprinkler system was a little messed up, just shooting water straight out. So I ordered some replacements on Amazon, $5 in total, shipped. Ordered Orbit 65 140, and comes in a cool, it's a cool little setup. It's got different types of heads. You can do 360, 180, or 90. I'll show you a quick picture here in a moment. And it's everything you need for $5 instead of calling a sprinkler guy and spending $50 for him to come out and then who knows how much to do the actual work. It's really simple operation. I'll go over that in a second. So like I said, it comes with 3 different spray nozzles or different colors: brown, blue, and red. Cover your different spray patterns. I did one blue one here on the front there, that one, so it didn't spray steps leading up into the house. The other ones I'm going to do 360 patterns just to get full coverage for any new vegetation or plants my wife might put in. And setup is really simple. So this side over here, my thumb is pointing, that's if you're running in lines, meaning that you need a water line in and then a water line out. This has 0 function for the actual sprinkler. It's just if you're connecting other irrigation lines through this. I don't know why you would. Somebody smarter than me probably does. I don't know why you wouldn't. Anyhow, the water line, you connect right here. Plastic line shoots water in, and then you put one of those caps for your coverage right over here. It's basically like putting your thumb over the top of a hose and spraying in the right direction. This is your adjuster nozzle for how much flow that you want. You turn it counterclockwise to open it up, clockwise to close it, depending on how much you want the spray. And again, it might take 2 or 3 minutes apiece to replace these. Rather than try and pull off of the old ones, I was just using a cutter. I just cut it. Got plenty of length. If you're short on length, then you might need to MacGyver a different solution, but I got plenty of extra length, so I'm just cutting it, putting the water line on there, putting the cap on there, and we're good to go.